the office again this morning. I'm Casey from Century 21, and as always, Nicole, our investor consultant, joins us. Morning, Nick. Back for our Monday wrap, keeping landlords up to date on what's happening in the Newcastle property market.
Over the last 7 days, we've still had great results. We had 84 tenant inquiries on the properties that we did have listed.
On 2 properties.
37 people attended the open for inspections, 26 applications received. So when you look at those numbers in comparison to what we have listed, the numbers are still,
solid numbers, because it's just that the quantity isn't there.
Yeah.
The wild weather at the moment, floods, rain. We have provided our tenants with details for emergency repairs. They know SES is obviously the first point of call for any flooding, and how to lodge maintenance through our system. So that's on our website under tenants, request a repair comes straight through. We are triaging any maintenance that comes in, so please be aware. We will get back to all of the repairs, but obviously worst case scenario, working our way back through.
With the floods, as an office and a team, we just want to send our thoughts out to everyone who has been affected. Like, it's crazy out there. We're fortunate that we haven't been massively affected, like, majorly in our suburb. But yeah, definitely thoughts are with those who are in the north coast and south. It's crazy for those guys.
Yeah, and look, at this stage we haven't had extreme repairs or extreme emergencies within our properties as well. So be assured, if there is an emergency with your property, we'll let you know straight away. So no need to call us. We're definitely proactive and we'll be in touch with you. But at this stage, I'm going to touch wood, things are okay here. This week you'll also see a new video dropped. Nick Ball from Innovate Finance and I sat down breaking down the difference between houses and units as an investment property, the pros and cons of each. So it was a really good chat Nick and I had. That one's on our YouTube channel. You'll find it on our socials as well as our website. So head over and have a look at that one. Also this week, yesterday was the release of a new blog I wrote. I really had a lot of fun writing this one. Funding your retirement through property, and it relates back to self-managed super funds. You wouldn't believe how many self-managed super funds there actually are in Australia. 586,000 self-managed super funds. So there's definitely tax benefits pre and post retirement when purchasing property through a self-managed super fund. There's a couple of things. You need to know that you can't renovate a property in a self-managed super fund. So you're looking for something that's really new, has good depreciation, because all those depreciation claims, interest and things like that are all still tax deductible. And you can't have a family, you can't buy it off a family member, or a family member can't live in it. Head over to our website and read that blog. Obviously a disclaimer about both the video and the article is you do need to seek professional financial advice. We are not trained in that field. We are here to give you an overview and basically some food for thought to make your own decisions on what's right for your circumstances. Last but not least, I received an email. Nick Ball from Innovate, again, shout out to Nick Ball on this video, sent me through an email on Friday on product of the week. I thought I'd share with you, St George have a 2-year fixed rate at 1.79%. That's extremely low interest rates. Principal and interest repayment, land to value ratio needs to be at 60% or less. So basically that means that the mortgage on the property has to be 60% of less of the value of the property. But knowing if you've purchased the property at a right time, and obviously the market over the last 12 months has climbed quite significantly, that you may meet that requirement. So it's always best to double check what you're currently paying, know your interest rate, know if you're fixed or variable, and ensure that you're getting the best deal.
That finishes up with our investor update for this week. I'm Nicole, investor consultant with Century 21.
I'm Casey Healey, director at Century 21. If we can help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your week, stay safe, stay dry, and
we'll see you